Okay, in here.
Before we start the party, please stand up and wear you the horoscope. Exactly, we will have one person is like was a novice before the temple like more than 4, 5 years or 10 years. They really experience about the Buddha culture or Bali Sukita. Like him, yeah. And lastly, we have the happy water. Lao.
Oh, so it's part of it.
Yeah. Happy water, you have 1, 2, 3, you're too happy, you can more.
แม่ละวันทรงเจ้าลำพารวยอยู่ดีมีแห่งอายุมันค่อนยืนเด้อ
ขอบใจ
ใจสบายเด้อ Yeah, cover.